Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can create this Christmas sweater nurse using new Brown Pretty Aurora Snowlight cat eye gel. So let's get started. Now before I show you guys the tutorial, let me tell you that Brown Pretty is having their Black Friday sale and it is already started from 27th of November and it will last till 30th of November. So grab as much as you can, and also you can use my code PKL91 to get 10% off on all the products. Now at first I've applied 2 coats of this new nail polish by MUMUSO and its name is Grace. It's not actually nude, it's kind of a mixture of nude and mauve color. Now once it is fully dry, I will be using this Brown Pretty Aurora Snowlight cat eye gel. Now there are different shades in this collection and the one which they sent me is Tech Ocean. And it's a duochrome cat eye gel and has a color shift of shimmery silver and violet. And here you can see the magnetic effect. So using this nail art brush which is from Beauty Big Bang, I'm going to make diamond shape on the nails. Now people says that gel polish and nail polish doesn't go together, but that's not true. You just need to make sure that the nail polish is fully dry before applying gel. I have been using gel and nail polish together for over 2 years now and I have never faced any issues, so you can go for it. Now using the magnet, I am creating the effect and will cure it using Brown Pretty LED torch for 20 seconds. Now just because it is a gel, you have lots of time to play with it and figure out the correct effect you want for your design. Now there are lots of effects which you can do using a cat eye polish. Now I am thinking of making a separate video where I will show you guys all the different types of effects which you can create using a cat eye gel. Now right now I'm curing this gel polish for 20 seconds, but later on I will cure it for 1 minute. And all these gel polishes are no wipe gel polish, that is, you don't have to wipe the sticky layers which a gel polishes have. Now I will continue this diamond pattern like this, and you can also call this design as pattern nails, but this pattern is the most common pattern of sweater which I used to wear when I was a kid, so I named it as a sweater nails. But you can also call it as a diamond shaped nails or diamond pattern nails. Now I will be making the same design on all the other nails off camera, and then I will show you guys the next step. So this is how it's look on all the nails. Next I'm using white gel paint and I'm making the dots in between the diamond shapes. Now I will continue these dots on all the other nails and then we'll give a full cure of 1 minute off camera. So here is the final design. I hope you guys like it, and yes, I didn't apply any top coat because I want it to have that pattern effect on it, because if I apply top coat it will make everything smooth and I don't want that. But if you want it, you can apply a top coat. You can apply normal gel top coat or nail polish top coat. And as I've already mentioned that it is a no wipe gel polish, so top coat is not necessary. Anyways, I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below whether you guys like it or not, and tell me guys about your Christmas plan, and also if you have any kind of request then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.